Hey guys, Wade here with Kriete Truck Centers and Racine. Number is 262-340-2282. Today we got this 2021 MACK MD642 box truck with 308 in the miles. It's got a Cummins with 260 horse and an Allison automatic transmission. It's got the 26-foot box, tuck-away liftgate. It's got 2 rows of E-track inside. As always, it's fully serviced, DOT'd, and ready to work. If you're interested in this truck or have any of the questions, stop by and see me in Racine, or give me a call at 262-340-2282, or you can always check us out on KrieteTruckCenters.com. Thanks, guys.